In today's lesson, we'll be learning what our finger numbers are for piano. When we're playing piano, each finger has a number, and that helps us know which fingers we use to play what keys. Thumbs are number 1, pointers are number 2, middles are number 3, ring fingers are number 4, and pinkies are number 5. To help us remember this, we're going to do a little tracing activity, and parents, feel free to do this activity too. We'll need a piece of paper and something to draw with. You can pause the video real quick to grab your supplies. Alrighty, now that we have our paper, we're going to fold it in half like a book so it looks like this. Next, we're going to label each side of our paper left and right. Remember, you're welcome to pause the video at any time if you need to. Now that we're done labeling, we're going to trace our hands. With a marker, trace your left hand on the left side, then trace your right hand on the right side. You can pause the video to do this real quick, and if you need help, ask your parents. When you are done outlining your hands, you are welcome to add some extra colors to your drawings. Otherwise, feel free to skip this step. I chose to color code each finger for our hands so they match on both sides. When you're done, we are ready to start labeling our finger numbers. We'll start with our thumbs, which are both number 1. Then we'll go to our right hand pointer finger, number 2, our middle, number 3, our ring finger, number 4, and our pinky, number 5. We'll then do the same thing for our left hand fingers. Once you're done labeling, your finger numbers chart is complete. Parents, if you'd like to help your children practice their finger numbers some more, have them play notes on your piano with a specific number. For example, you can say, play a note with finger 4 on your right hand, or play a note with finger 1 on your left hand. Feel free to mix and match different combinations, and I hope you all have fun practicing.